Hello everyone, my name is Prasad Jagtap and today's subject is plastic pollution. Plastic is a polymeric material, that material whose molecules are very large, often resembling the long chain made up of seemingly endless series of interconnected links. Natural polymers such as rubber and silk exist in the abundance, but nature's plastic have not been implicated in the environment's pollution because they do not persist in the environment. Today, however, the average consumer comes into the daily contact with all kinds of the plastic materials that have been developed specifically to defeat natural decay processes materials derived mainly from the petroleum that can be molded, cast, spoon or applied as a coating. Since synthetic plastics are largely non-biodegradable, they tend to persist in the nature's environment. Moreover, many lightweight single-use plastic products and the packaging materials, which account of approximately 50% of all plastic produced, are not deposited in the containers are not deposited in the containers for the subsequent removal to the landfills, recycling centers, on the incinerators. Instead, they are improperly disposed of at a near to the location where they end their usefulness to the customer, dropped on the ground, thrown out of the car window, heaped into the already full trash bins, or inadvertently carried off by a gust of the wind. They immediately begin to pollute the environment. Indeed, landscapes littered by the plastic packaging have become a common in per studies from around the world have not shown any particular country or the demographic group to be most responsible through the population centers generates the most litter. The causes and the effect of the pollutions are truly worldwide. According to the Trade Association Plastic, worldwide the plastic production grew from some 1.5 million metric tons per year in 1950 to an estimated 275 million metric tons by 2010 and 359 million by 2018, and 12.7 million metric tons are discarded into the oceans annually by the countries with the ocean coastlines. In the ocean, the plastic pollution kills marine mammals directly through entanglement in the objects such as fishing gear, but it also kills through injections by being mistaken for the food. Studies have been found that all the kinds of species, including small zooplankton, large seabirds, and all the marine turtles, readily ingest the plastic bits and the trash items such as cigarette lighters, plastic bags, and the bottle caps. Sunlight and the seawater embrittle plastic, and the eventual breakdown of the larger objects into the microplastics makes plastic available to the zooplankton and other small marine animals. Such small pieces of the plastic, which are less than 0.2 inch in the length, make up the sizable fraction of plastic waste in the ocean. By 2018, microplastic had been found in the organs of more than 114 aquatic species, including some species found only in the deepest ocean. By 2020, scientists had estimated that at least 14 million metric ton of plastic were resting on the floor of the ocean, and the other research has revealed that the movement of the deep sea currents was creating microplastic of the oceans, such as one located in the Tyrrhenian Sea that contained nearly about 2 million microplastic pieces per square meter. Plastic also pollutes without being littered, specifically through the release of the compounds using in the manufacture. Indeed, plastic of the environment by the chemical leached from the released from the plastic into the air and the water is emerging area of concern. As a result, some compounds used in the plastic such as phthalates, biphenyls, and polybrominated diphenyl ether have come under close scrutiny and regulation. Plasticizers, softeners are used to make the plastic products less brittle. They are found in the medical devices, food packaging, automobiles, upholsteries, flooring materials, and computers, as well as the pharmaceuticals, perfumes, and the cosmetic used in the manufacture of a clear, hard polycarbonate plastic and the strong epoxy coating and the adhesives. In the present in the packaging, bottles, compact discs, medical devices, and the lining of the food is added to the plastics as the flame retardant. All these compounds have been detected in the humans and known to disrupt the endocrine system. The plasticizers act against the male hormones and are therefore known as anti-androgens. The BPA mimics the natural female hormones estrogen, has been shown to disrupt thyroid hormones in addition to being in the anti-androgen. The most of hormones disrupting the chemicals are in the children's and the women's of the reproductive age. Thank you.